Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the refined lace stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, half double crochet stitch, double crochet stitch, half double crochet V-stitch, and the cluster stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 3. I have already made 24 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. You'll now make 1 single crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook, and then 1 single crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 3 chains. These 3 chains will count as a double crochet stitch. So you're going to skip the first stitch. Into each of the next 2, we're going to make a 2 double crochet decrease. And if you're familiar with a decrease, it's basically you're making the bottoms of double crochet stitches and then wringing them all together to make a decrease over several stitches. So you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into this next stitch because we're skipping the first one. So into this next one right here, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through, pulling up a loop. Yarn over, take that through 2 loops only. That is the bottom of a double crochet. So we need to make another one because we're making a 2 double crochet decrease. Yarn over your hook, insert your hook into the next stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. Yarn over, take that through 2 loops only. That is also a bottom of a double crochet. Now we have 2, so we can yarn over and take that through all of the loops left over to make that 2 double crochet decrease. Now you're going to skip 1 stitch into this next one. You're going to make a half double crochet V-stitch, which is a half double crochet, chain 1 and half double crochet all together in that same stitch. And that's how that is looking. Now we're going to start repeating from this decrease. You're going to skip 1 stitch into this next one and this next one right here. So these 2. You're going to make that 2 double crochet decrease. There's the bottom of that first double crochet. And there's the second one, so I can finish that off to make that decrease. Skip 1 stitch into this next one, half double crochet, chain 1, and half double crochet to make that half double crochet V-stitch. You're going to skip 1 stitch into each of the next 2. You're going to make that 2 double crochet decrease. Skip 1 stitch into this next one, make that half double crochet V-stitch. You can see how everything is looking so far. Skip 1 stitch into each of these next 2. You're going to make that 2 double crochet decrease. Skip 1 stitch into this next one, half double crochet V-stitch. Now we've made it to the end of this row. You're going to skip to the last stitch in this row, and you're going to make a double crochet by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. So we're going to keep going, skip 1 stitch, and then into each of these last 2 right here, you're going to make that 2 double crochet decrease. Then over here at the end of your row, you're going to have this little loop left. You're going to make a double crochet by itself into that last little loop to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. For row 3, we're going to be making 1 single crochet into each of the stitches, and then when we get to these half double crochet V stitches, we're going to be making 2 single crochets into the chain space. So we're starting with 1 single crochet into each stitch, and then when we get to these half double crochet V stitches, do 2 into the chain space, just like that. This is going to be a stitch right here, stitch, and then this is going to be that half double crochet V, so 2 into that space, stitch, stitch, 2 in the half double crochet V, 1 into each of the stitches, 2 in the half double crochet V stitches. And that's how everything is looking so far. That's a stitch, that's a stitch. Make 1 into this last space between the last stitch and the chains, and then 1 into the top of the chains at the end of this row to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the refined lace stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.